Hey, welcome to this week's Tech Tip. I'm Kelly Heffley with Hivehouse Digital. Today, we are going to go over how to create a free email signature with HubSpot's email generator. Highly recommend doing this because anytime that you send an email back and forth with a prospect or so on, you have the opportunity to drive traffic to your website or your social media channels. So first thing we're going to do is go to this link, HubSpot Email Signature Generator. I'm going to put it in the description below. So first things first, you have 6 different templates that you can choose from. They vary in style and size, as you can see here. Today, we are going to stick with template 1. Now that you have that done, you're going to go back up to your toolbar and press this button. We are going to add our information. Now that you have that basic information in, you can also add in your social media channels. And as we added these in, you can see that the icons automatically populated. You can also add in a bonus content. So I'm just going to say HubSpot Specialist. All right, now all of that is put in. You're going to go back up to the toolbar, click on this button. Now you have the opportunity to customize your signature. You can have your branded colors put in to really make it look very professional. So I'm going to grab our branded colors. You can choose which type of font you want. So we are going to choose, don't like that one. All right, let's go with this. So you have the different font sizes. You can go with small, medium, or large. For today, let's go ahead and stick with medium and scroll back up and click here. Now this is where you can upload your picture or your company logo. I've got it right here in my drive. So I'm going to go here and click on my profile picture, which our lovely designer has already made for us. Share. You want it to be open. You don't want it to be restricted or else it's going to come back with an error. Copy that link, paste it in here. There I am. All right. And our logo, these 3 ellipses, share, copy link, and there we go. All right. You also have the opportunity to create a custom CTA. I'm going to choose to lead people to our recent ideal customer profile demographics video. So I'm going to say, going to copy and paste that URL here to our YouTube video. And I'll change the CTA color to our branded colors. I'll leave that text white. You also can upload an image too. But for today, we're just going to leave that as a button. Now, that is done. We have everything put in. I'm going to create signature. All right, now you have different options here. You can just copy it, the source code, you can email it to your colleagues, you can do it through HubSpot, Outlook, Yahoo, Apple Mail. We work through G Suite, so I'm going to add it this way. And HubSpot is great, it gives you step-by-step instructions. Now I'm going to go to my email, going to click on the settings icon, see all settings, scroll down. We already have one created, but I'm going to create a new one to walk you through it. And copy signature. And that is now put in. What you need to do for sure, this happens to me all the time, you want to go right down and click Save Changes. There you go. That's how you create your own free email signature from HubSpot. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and stick around for some more tech tips that will come your way soon.